The Canvas Syllabus tool. This Canvas Syllabus tutorial highlights the workflow for uploading a syllabus to the Canvas Syllabus tool. Whether you have a Canvas course or an external website, utilizing the Syllabus tool in Canvas helps both prospective and enrolled students access course information. The Syllabus tool may be uploaded in two ways. The first way is directly from the Canvas course card on the dashboard. This Add Syllabus button will be visible on certain dashboard cards for instructors, TAs, and course admins. The button appears for official courses with an SIS ID and when no content has been added to the Syllabus tool. Once a course is published, the button is removed. The second way to add a syllabus is from the Canvas course in the Syllabus tool. The default view when entering a Canvas course is the syllabus view. There is one exception with the Syllabus tool. By default, syllabi uploaded to Canvas via the Syllabus tool are accessible to all authenticated users with a valid SUNET ID at syllabus.stanford.edu, even before publishing the Canvas course. Teaching teams do have the option to restrict syllabus access to those enrolled in the course, and this will only work for enrolled students. Within the info box, to change the visibility of the syllabus, click on Learn More. As a best practice, we recommend uploading the syllabus first. Now let's review the workflow for uploading the syllabus. There is an Add Single File Only option. This method was built for users who just want to upload a single file. Click on Add Single File Only and select the content from My Computer or My Courses files. My Computer is all content on the user's desktop, whereas My Course Files is all content the user has already brought into the Files tool within Canvas. Keeping My Computer selected by clicking on the radial dial and it will turn blue, and then click on Choose File, locate that piece of content, in this case the Fall 2026 syllabus, and click on Open. The user must then select usage rights before adding the content. For additional information regarding usage rights, please refer to the Stanford Libraries at library.stanford.edu/copyright-guidance. Next, click Add in the blue rectangle box. And here lies the syllabus. Now, let's review the workflow to add syllabus content by utilizing the Edit Pencil icon. First, the old syllabus must be deleted. Clicking on the Edit Pencil icon, highlighting that content, deleting it, and then clicking Update Syllabus in the blue rectangle at the bottom of this Rich Content Editor box. Let's add the syllabus by clicking on the Edit Pencil icon. There are two. One is within the information box and one is just to the top right of the information box. Both Edit Pencil icons are the same functionality. So selecting Edit, the Rich Content Editor box appears, and click on the caret next to the corresponding document icon. Selecting content from the desktop, clicking on Upload Document, then click on the rocket ship, locate the correct quarter's syllabus, click Open. Now, once on this screen, the syllabus has yet to actually insert within the Rich Content Editor box. Users must scroll down on this screen. When starting to scroll, this gray toolbar will appear on the right side of this display panel. Scroll all the way down and then select Usage Rights by clicking on the caret within the Usage Rights field and select I hold the copyright. This is a syllabus, and click on Submit. A yellow toolbar will flash, signifying that content has successfully inserted within the Rich Content Editor box. However, users must then click Update Syllabus in the blue rectangle, the bottom right side of the RCE box. And here lies the syllabus. When uploading a new syllabus to this tool, the old syllabus must still be deleted in the Files tool. Deleting the syllabus in the Syllabus tool does not automatically delete it in the Files tool. So as to not confuse students with an outdated syllabus, if updating the syllabus and uploading a new syllabus to this tool, users must navigate to Files and ensure the outdated syllabus has been deleted. For more Canvas tutorials, please visit gocanvas.stanford.edu and navigate to the Video Tutorials tab. For additional questions, please submit a ticket to Canvas Help at stanford.edu.